Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find little KSR's promo codes in 2025. So in the first method, you will have to come to the official website of littlecasers.com, and over here on the homepage you will see a bunch of different discounts and promo codes that are currently going on. Like you can get 50% off plus $50 off if you use this promo code, that is touchdown. So this is the coupon code that is currently working, and you can even read the terms and condition of it over here. Now if you want to avail a bunch of other promo codes, then in order to find them you need to come to this website, that is coupons.com. Over here you need to search for little casers in the search bar, and here these are the promo codes that are currently available as of January 2025. Now you need to click on the see coupons option and it will show you the coupon code. So you need to copy it from here, and at the time of checkout you can even use this promo code. But in my opinion, you should use the promo codes that are currently available here. Like this one is I found very interesting. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.